Después de un partido donde el equipo de casa empieza perdiendo, hace la remontada con un marcador de 2-1. Sin duda, este fue un gran encuentro para la afición y para el New York City, ya que es su segundo partido en casa y lo gana.
So in pre-season, we also had a moment there in one of the friendly games that we went a goal down. Sticking to the plan, try to execute even better what we're trying to get achieved on the pitch is the message at all times. But it gave us a chance also when Nico Carvalho had to come off to change the shape a little bit in order to stay in a good shape with Burke on the left side, and you know he's not a left fullback by nature, so we had to change our shape a little bit, and we got a little more control in that phase.
Con imágenes de Juan Sánchez y Luis Rivas informando para Veravisión desde el Yankee Stadium, Nueva York, Rodolfo Durón.